Hello engineers, welcome back. Here I will show you how to do IgG burner routines for Kangaroom inert gas generators. Before opening the burner, check the burner distance. I could like to say something about this burner distance. The distance is not fixed. You can adjust according to the IgG CO content. The correct position is indicated by distinct drop in measure CO content. Since there is no instrument for measuring a CO content on board, the best position is achieved when most of the flame burns clear or blue. Then remove the air connections to the burner cylinder. Then remove the oil inlet and oil return flexible hose connection. Then loosen the burner gland packing or stuffing box bolts on both sides and loosen and remove the burner height adjusting bolts both sides. Then take the burner out. Keep it on a vise and remove the oil nozzle. Dismantle the oil nozzle, remove the filters and clean the all internal parts on clean diesel oil. This gun and oil nozzle are bypass type and burner is of mechanical high pressure atomizing type. For detailed explanation about oil nozzle and gun and oil capacity control working principle, please see my another video on IgG oil nozzle. After cleaning, inspect the oil nozzle and box back the oil nozzle. Check the spring action and check whether it is closing the orifice fully. Then inspect the oil gun, air cylinder and oil inlet and return passage are clear. Tighten this oil nozzle back to the oil gun. Then place the oil burner to the burner top and check and adjust the burner height. I could say that average value may be 55 to 59 mm and then tighten the burner height adjusting bolts. So for my case the height was around 58 to 59 mm. Then tighten the stuffing box bolts 2 numbers and then connect the oil inlet and return pipelines and connect the air lines to air cylinder.